Lucidchart Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Lucidchart Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with Lucidchart, a powerful diagramming tool, and give you all the details you need to know about their affiliate program. Don't forget to check the description for the links to the product and the affiliate program. Lucidchart is a cloud-based diagramming tool designed to help you create everything from simple flowcharts to complex network diagrams and business process maps. It's great for teams and individuals who need to visually represent processes, systems, or ideas. What I love about Lucidchart is its user-friendly interface, combined with powerful features like real-time collaboration, drag-and-drop shapes, and integration with platforms like Google Workspace, like Microsoft Office, and Atlassian. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, Lucidchart offers a range of templates and customization options to make the process easier. Now, let's dive into the Lucidchart Affiliate Program. The program is designed for anyone looking to promote a highly useful tool that can help individuals and teams in industries ranging from IT and education to business and marketing. The program offers competitive commissions for every successful referral. They have a 30-day cookie window, which means you'll get credit for any signups within that period, making it easier to earn from visitors who take a bit of time to decide. Lucidchart provides affiliates with high-quality promotional materials, including banners, links, and widgets, which makes it easy to start promoting right away. They also offer tracking and analytics to monitor your performance, helping you optimize your campaigns for better results. The program is great for bloggers, content creators, and influencers who cater to professionals, teams, and businesses that require diagramming or flowcharting solutions. To sum up, the Lucidchart Affiliate Program is a great option for anyone interested in earning commissions from a highly effective and well-loved tool. With solid commission structures, a reliable product, and plenty of promotional resources, it's a great program for both new and seasoned affiliates. Check out the description for the links to sign up and start earning today. Thanks for watching.